Hey everyone, welcome back to English Escapades with Ayni, your go-to place for fun, easy English learning. Today we are going to unlock the power of conjunctions, specifically how we combine phrases and clauses using them. By the end of this video, you will feel confident using these little connectors to improve your sentences. So, first off, a conjunction is a word that links other words, phrases, or even whole clauses. And there are three big types: coordinating, correlative, and subordinating conjunctions. Let's start with coordinating conjunctions. These are the ones that join similar elements, like two subjects or two verbs, or they keep everything balanced. For example, I like coffee and tea, or she sings and dances, so they keep things equal. Next, we have got correlative conjunctions. These come in pairs like either or not only but also. For instance, either we study now or we go later. Or not only did he come to class, but he also helped us afterward. So these pairs work together to show a clear relationship. Now the biggest group is subordinating conjunctions. These are super powerful because they connect a main clause with a dependent clause. Words like because, if, while, and although help us add extra meaning. For example, we stayed home because it was raining, or although it was late, she kept working. So these help give your sentences more depth. To really make these stick, let's look at a few more examples. With coordinating conjunctions, you can say he likes hiking and biking, or she not only sings but also acts. And for subordinating examples, before we start, let's take a quick review. Or if you practice daily, you will get better. So keep an eye out for these little connectors, they really help your writing flow. And before we wrap up, I have got a fun quiz for you. I have attached a short quiz so you can test yourself on what we learned today. So go ahead and give it a try, and I will see you in the next video. Happy learning!